YouTube, man, what's up with the YouTube? It's your boy Soho Credit back with another video, back with another banger, man. And today I'm really just jumping straight into it because y'all wanted to know how to get a car with a CPN. You know what I'm saying? Y'all want to know how to get a whip. Y'all saw me pushing the Tesla. Y'all like, oh man, y'all want to know how to get a whip just like that. I want to get a Hellcat. I want to get a Scat Pack. I want to get a Honda. You know what I'm saying? I want to be able to get a car, put it on Turo so I don't have to. Maybe you already have a car. Maybe you're just trying to get another car. Put that car on Turo, rent it out so you can make money. So you have a free car and you also getting profits so you can keep scaling your car fleet. Who knows? But today I'm gonna drop that knowledge on y'all how to get that car for your CPN, man. So first thing first, I'm gonna tell y'all that y'all need y'all real FICO 8 credit score. Y'all need to know what that credit score is. If you don't, you're looking on Credit Karma. That's not your real score. When you go to these banks and these lenders trying to get a credit card, trying to get a loan, trying to get a car, they're not gonna look at your Credit Karma score. They're gonna look at your Experian.com score because that's your FICO 8 score. Or they're going to go like your Identity IQ score because, again, that's your FICO 8 score. So either get Experian or Identity IQ to look at your real FICO score, FICO 8 score, so you can see where you are at along your credit journey. If your credit good, then you good to go. You ready for the next part. But if your credit's not good, you're going to need to clean your credit a little bit. You're going to have to hit me up. You can text me credit. My Instagram is Soho, or it's a whole bunch of other credit experts out here that can clean your credit. I don't want y'all to just come to me just because I'm dropping this sauce or I'm giving you. I don't care who y'all go to. I want y'all to get the best of the best service. And I can't provide y'all the best of the best service, but it's up to y'all to choose. And I don't care. I want y'all to eat either way. So now if your credit's good or you already got your credit clean, perfect, you good to go. Now, what you're going to need is you're going to need about 4 to 5 Tradelines. You know what I'm saying? Really about 3, but if you have 4 to 5 Tradelines, you overly in the green. You good. You about to get that whip. You about to walk off that lot. Maybe $0 down. Maybe, you know what I'm saying? You ain't spending no money off the lot. Maybe $500. Maybe something like that. You know what I'm saying? So, so look, at 4 to 5 Tradelines on your account, okay? You can't, like I'm saying, I'm just saying, like, to be very, very good, to maybe get $0 down, 4 to 5 Tradelines. But if you just want to just get in there, maybe put $500 down, $1,000 down, put 3 Tradelines on there, you smooth, all right? So where can you get these Tradelines? Y'all can go to Tradeline Supply. Tradeline Supply, they sell like Tradelines, maybe 20K limits for like $500, anywhere from $500 to $1,000. Or y'all can come to me. I sell Tradelines. I got the Tradelines. I'm the plug. You know what I'm saying? I got it all. I got whatever y'all need. But I got the Tradelines. I sell my Tradelines for sometimes $80, $100, $150, $200, $300. It just depends. You know what I'm saying? Because logs, y'all probably don't know what logs are, but it's basically the tray line. You know what I'm saying? Tray lines go fast, they come quick, and they go fast. So other people are vendors as well. So my vendor also sells to other vendors, so they go quick. So if y'all want them, y'all got to come fast. So I got the tray lines. So after y'all get the tray lines, after y'all get them 4 to 5 tray lines, what y'all want to do, what you can do, what I recommend, if you 100% want to walk off that lot with really $100, $0 down, add a backdated auto primary tray line onto your credit profile. I got those as well. I got everything you need. Text me on my Instagram, Soho. I can send you in a different direction if you don't want to go with me. I know plenty of other people, or you can come to me. You know what I'm saying? So I know how to get those auto primaries. I got somebody who works in a dealership. I can't say no more after that. That's how I be getting the primaries. But boom, that's how you get the primaries. And the primaries is going to show that. So the primaries are going to show that if you get a 2-year backdated auto primary, then it's going to show that you've been paying, let's say the car is a $500 note. It's going to show that you've been paying $500 for the past 2 years. So now when you go to this car shop, or if you want to get a credit card or a loan, they're going to see that and they're going to be like, dang, this dude been paying on a $20,000 car $500 for the past 2 years. We can definitely trust him with a $20,000 loan because he's been paying this for 2 years and never missed a payment. So we can trust him with the bag. You know what I'm saying? So once y'all do that, once y'all get that auto primary, you good. You in the green. Make sure you go up there with your real ID. I don't recommend using fake IDs. You know what I'm saying? That's how people go to jail. That's how you see these people doing the things, showing up to these dealerships, police showing up, they're getting arrested, they're using fake people, they're using other people's identities. I never done that in my life, and we don't do identity fraud over here. Profiles, some people buy pre-built CPNs. Pre-built CPNs are not something you want to look for. More than likely, they're other people's identities, and it's not your name. So when it's not your name, you're using other people's identity, and that's identity theft. Now, you don't want to be involved in that. So if you get a CPN, get a CPN. And again, this is educational purposes only. I'm not telling you to do anything. This is me just dropping sauce on y'all. So if you're going to get a CPN, I recommend you getting a CPN built around your name. You know what I'm saying? And only a couple people know how to actually get the SSA validated SSNs, and the SSNs that actually can get you like credit cards and can get you cars and things like that. I got those. I know that, or I can send y'all away. It will cost a little bag for somebody else, or I got them myself for y'all to get them SSA validated SSNs for y'all CPNs. So you're going to need that because it makes you look like a real person when you go into these banks. You're trying to get a bag or you're trying to open a bank. You're going to need that. You're going to really, really need that SSN because people are giving people dead people's SSNs that are in jail. That's how you go to jail. You do not want that. All right. So get that CPN made around your name. You got your real ID already. That's why people be making fake IDs because they be using other people's names, other people as identities and things like that. What y'all can do is y'all can use y'all. I ain't gonna speak on that. Y'all just hit my line on the Instagram or the telly, then I'll talk about that. I don't know if YouTube cool with that on here, but I'm gonna drop that sauce on y'all and telling you on the IG, or mostly on telly. Holla at me, send me the message credit, and I'm gonna send y'all my Telegram for y'all to join that. It's gonna be an open community, and also I'll drop a whole lot of things that y'all can see and a whole lot of things that y'all can get a bag with. But so once y'all got y'all CPN, bro, y'all got y'all CPN made in your name. You got 4 to 5 trade lines, and you don't really need the auto primary, but the auto primary is gonna look so much better. You're gonna be able to get more than a car. You're gonna be able to get loans, credit cards, and things like that. But if you had that auto primary, you're gonna walk off the lot with $0 down on the 30K whip, 25K whip. You know what I'm saying? That can start your Turo career off, or that can just get you your fresh car, start you a new car, and pay that car on time every month. You know what I'm saying? Actually pay that car because that's just going to look good on your credit profile, and you're going to keep building that credit profile up. And then if you got that car, you're going to have an auto primary and then a real car. So you got 2 auto primaries, and now you can really get a bag. So just think of it like that. Just think legitimate. Don't try to do scam stuff, y'all. Like, try to keep this stuff legitimate when you're using these CPNs because they already kind of cracking down on them because they don't really look good. So, but yeah, if you're in the witness protection program, then it's good for people like that. If your credit is bad, you need to start over. I recommend get your credit clean. I recommend get your credit clean. Somebody like me or somebody else that can clean your credit, and then later on get you funding on your personal side. Yeah, it might take longer. I know, like, these CPNs, y'all think it's a little short game, but y'all do have to buy. Once y'all get a CPN, you got to buy Tradelines to make your profile thicker. You got to get primaries. So it is a little time, just like it is getting your personal credit right. So I do recommend doing that. But besides all of that, y'all, I hope I dropped that sauce on y'all. I hope I told y'all how to go get that brand new whip. I hope y'all got y'all pulling off the lot, getting that, man, building y'all fleet up for Turo, anything like that. That's what I did with my Tesla. I got my Tesla. I put my Tesla on Turo, rented it out, things like that. So, man, if y'all want to do that for yourself, man, listen to this video. Y'all be dropping the game. I ain't gonna hold no sauce from y'all, you know what I'm saying? Because I ain't just trying to hold this sauce for me. I want to drop it on to my people in my community. And the people, it's not even in my community, just to level up in life, because this credit game is the #1 money game in the world. And this is what you need to be successful. So if y'all like videos like these, you got more questions, hit me on the Instagram, J out of Soho, JAYOUTTASOHO. Hit my line. You know what I'm saying? We gonna network, we gonna tap in. We're going to have an open discussion chat for people that can drop knowledge, or people that don't have knowledge. Y'all just trying to get knowledge. That chat's for y'all too. So tap in with me, DM me credit. We all going to lock in. I'm going to see y'all in the next video. Comment below what y'all want. Peace out.